Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix live access on TikTok. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Doing a live stream on TikTok is quite a fun experience, but there might be times on your TikTok when you cannot go live and you're wondering why you are not being able to do so. So first of all, let me tell you why you are not being able to go live on TikTok. Make sure that you are above age 16 in order to go live on TikTok. If you are below 16, then you won't be able to go live. Also make sure that your region is supported on TikTok. If it is not, you might not be able to do live on TikTok. Also, if you have less than 1,000 followers, you will be deprived from going live on TikTok. But in cases you've typed in your age on TikTok by mistake and that's the main reason why you are not being able to go live, then here is a workaround for the situation. Simply go and tap open TikTok app and from the main homepage, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Make sure that you're logged into your TikTok account and now go to the upper right hand corner from your profile page and tap on the hamburger menu. Select settings and privacy from the pop-up beneath. From the settings and privacy page, scroll down and tap on report a problem. Select account and profile option. Tap on editing profile. Scroll down and tap on other. At the bottom of the page, tap on need more help. Now you can simply go ahead and write an appeal to change your date of birth. Since it has been entered incorrect while creating your account, simply go ahead and type in whatever you want to type, and if you have any proof that indicates your age, may it be documents or video, then simply go ahead and post it right here. After you do that, tap on submit to appeal for changing your birthday on TikTok. Once you change your age on TikTok, you might be able to fix your live access error on TikTok. Apart from that, if your region is the issue why you are not being able to go live, you can simply use a VPN and try going live on your TikTok account. Those were some of the fixes you could try when you're not being able to get live access on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.